Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Another part two about the awards and personalization association. I made a little mistake in the last video. I called this the Hilton. It's the Paris and the Valley that you can stay at a discounted price if you become a member. And then I realized I didn't really, I just talked about the classes. The amount of vendors that will be there will, if you've never been, will blow your mind. You know, from Epilogue to JDS, that is probably the world's leader in engravable sublimation printers. They're going to be anything you can engrave on. You're going to get some. JDS every year has new items. Every single year I've ever been. Epilogue's going to show off their newest lasers. There's going to be other laser companies there. There's going to be sublimation people, printing on cups and it's a good little mini vacation. And I really hope I see you there. I have no ties with this association I've been a member for 15 years and I'm pretty proud of the people that run it. And, people always ask me, well, how come you got so good at Corel? Well, two of my mentors, Roy Brewer and Randy Allen. But then I went to this trade show and went to the classes on Corel, and then, of course, watching YouTube videos. But anyway, try to make it. If not this year, plan it for next year. It's every year in February at some point. Anyway, hope to see you there. Thank you for watching.